So far my impression is very positive. Everyone is very eager and engaged, and everyone wants to understand what they are doing, how they can do things differently or better. And I'm very eager to learn from folks and also share my experiences with everyone, so that it's mutually beneficial to the institution and to myself. So everything we have seen thus far has been very, very positive, and we hope that we can do meaningful work over the next couple of weeks. Thank you.
Professor Dr. SUDHIR KAUL is professor in the School of Engineering and Technology at Western Carolina University. Dr. KAUL received his PhD from the University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee in 2006 and has held academic positions since 2008. His industry experience includes development of vibration isolation systems, design and development of motorcycle powertrains, and design of hydraulic systems. His research interests include dynamic modeling for vibration isolations, motorcycle dynamics, and fracture diagnostics. He has published more than 70 articles in peer-reviewed journals and conference proceedings. He is the author of Modeling and Analysis of Passive Vibration Isolation Systems that has been published, have personal interactions with Professor SUDHIR. I will invite the head of Quality Assurance Center.
I'm not here to preach anything. I want to make sure that you get the most out of me. So it's mostly centered around what you need from me. I have a lot of familiarity with the mechanical engineering program because I have trained as a mechanical engineer already being by mechanical engineering. But as I was mentioning to some of you a little while back, project-based learning is not really specific to engineering or mechanical engineering. It's a concept that can be fit into multiple disciplines, and in fact also in an interdisciplinary manner, which can be challenging, but it's possible to do. So once again, thank you for your hospitality, and I look forward to meeting each one of you individually and in teams as per the agenda. If you could give me a heads up, an indication on what you would like to get out of my meetings with you, I can be better prepared in terms of if it's more curriculum specific or ideas or insight. I can make sure that my specific meetings with you are more oriented towards your programs rather than giving you a general outline of the project. So once again, thank you very much.
Pemahaman kami di jurusan tentang PBL. Jadi ada beberapa mata kuliah yang mengadakan PBL masing-masing.
That I have seen project-based learning being implemented. In some places when there is not a lot of room in the curriculum, there is a specific course that project-based learning is covered. I personally don't think that that is extremely effective. What I have also seen is that then some places actually integrate project-based learning into multiple courses. And then I have seen a third model where project-based learning goes from first year to second year to third year to the capstone. So all of these are possible models, and I don't say one is better than the other. It's just that the impact on project-based learning is a little more in some cases versus others. I've also seen some places where different engineering disciplines end up having interdisciplinary project-based learning courses. It's more challenging because a lot of things have to be coordinated, but it's possible to do, so I've seen that also.